key vocab moon words and what the moon looks like. So by the end of this video, you should be able to name what a moon looks like using the correct vocab words and draw it. So here's kind of a picture of a bunch of moons during a moon cycle. And one cycle is when the moon revolves one time around Earth. So kind of over the couple days, it will change shape, etc. Let's look and see if we can't name all these moons. The first moon is a new moon. And you can see it's when the moon's between the sun and the earth, and it seems all dark. So right there, we see the dark half of the moon. The light half of the moon is facing the sun, but the earth only sees the dark half of the moon. Thus, a new moon. A full moon's the opposite. We see the moonlight. The half we see is lit up by the sun. Thus, the earth is in between the moon and the sun. I'm sure you've all seen a full moon before. The first quarter moon is when it's light on the right, halfway lit up, halfway dark. Light on the right half, a first quarter. And the opposite of that is a third or last quarter moon, where it's dark on the right half, half of it's lit up, half of it's dark, dark on the right side. Now we get to the fun moons, the multiple moons. These are all crescents, when half the moon is lit up as we see it from Earth. Remember, half the moon is always lit up in space, but we only see half of the moon from Earth. So we're only seeing part of the lit up half. All of these moons are crescent. I remember the word croissant, like if you get a croissant roll or a bun, it kind of looks like a crescent. Then we have gibbous. Gibbous, when over half the moon we see from Earth is light. These are all gibbous moons. I blocked out the full moon there because that's a special full moon. All gibbous moons. Sometimes it helps if you've ever seen the gibbous monkeys at the zoo. You might notice that, kind of their butts are real bright and big. Well, it's kind of weird because gibbous moons are when it's more than halfway light and they're really big. Okay. Waxing. All these moons are waxing. When the right side of the moon is light, as we see it from Earth, it's waxing. Light on the right, going to bright. In other words, the moon is moving from the moon is moving from new to full. So it's increasing its brightness on the right-hand side.